You deserve it all, and we found the perfect place to give you just that. A 9,000 square foot, $7.5 million Nashville estate, newly built with modern ambition, ready for you. So get ready, because I'm about to take you on an experience beyond what you ever dreamed possible. This is 1405 Montmorency Pass. We are in the gated neighborhood of Cartwright Close, nestled in Brentwood's rolling hills with historic Franklin in the backdrop. We are just 20 minutes outside the city, but it feels like a secret hideaway. There are only a handful of homes in this neighborhood, each set on a large acreage lot, which allows for that hard-to-find privacy. We step through these tall iron and glass doors into a breathtaking entrance. The lofty ceilings immediately draw your eyes up to the wooden beams and spectacular catwalk. These soaring ceilings allow plenty of room for your artwork, which allows you to put a stamp on the space right from the start. To our right is a private office and spectacular primary suite, but first, let's explore this way. There is plenty of room to entertain within these walls. We continue into one of several interconnected entertaining spaces. This is the more formal living room, and I love how the glass doors open up to a totally private living space. The modern design allows plenty of room for you to entertain your guests or simply enjoy the peace and quiet of your own home. Natural light pours in from the windows above, creating a space that is truly unique. The kitchen is the ultimate chef's paradise. Sleek marble tile line the walls from floor to ceiling, giving a clean, chic, modern look. The centerpiece of the space has to be the large island, perfect for prepping meals or enjoying time with your guests at one of the bar stools. As an added bonus, you can admire your pool through the full wall of windows. And you don't have to worry about compromising on necessary features either. There are 2 integrated dishwashers, oversized Sub-Zero side-by-side refrigerator, 6-burner gas range with grill and pot filler, and double ovens that will take your dinner party up another level entirely. If extra storage or appliances are needed, there's a hidden pantry offering 2 additional ovens, freezer, ice machine, microwave, and plentiful shelving and cabinets. Step into the magical dining area. Clean lines and smart storage complement the exquisite glass orb light fixture. Here you can celebrate special moments with family or wow your dinner guests. No matter who gathers here, they are sure to be impressed by its beauty. This is the more casual living space, though the black iron railings add just a touch of sophistication. Sit down, relax, enjoy the big game, or set up live music to play from the loft while you party with friends. And when it's time for a little fresh air, step outside to your own outdoor kitchen paradise. Back near the entry is the private office, offering a balance of luxurious intimacy and openness, featuring dark wood paneling for sophistication alongside tall windows that add beautiful airiness. Custom crafted cabinetry with integrated sconces finish the look off magnificently. The primary suite is truly special, with a glorious coffee bar to launch you into your day and an awe-inspiring bathroom separated in 2, his and hers. Each side offers sumptuous custom closets, chic private water closets, a washer and dryer for convenience, and stunning vanities. The best part, a glass wall wet room with a shower and soaking tub provide cohesiveness without sacrificing their opulence or privacy. Caffeine up before stepping out. This home has it all. Nestled away from the rest of the house, this primary bedroom offers a secret hideaway. Two-story ceilings with arched wooden beams create an expansive yet intimate atmosphere, while linen wallpaper lends to its understated elegance. Open up the patio door for access to the tranquil pool beyond, perfect for those relaxed summer days. Let's take a journey upstairs to explore the boundless possibilities of the unique flex room. Ready to be used as anything from an intimate theater space to a cozy bunk room or fitness studio, complete with a half bath. Around each corner, we find carefully crafted guest bedrooms, one overlooking the inviting pool area, while the other looks over the rolling hillsides in the front. As you walk across the catwalk, you can get lost admiring the view from both living spaces before uncovering yet another exquisite surprise. An expansive third suite, accompanied by an intricately marble-tiled wet room, shower, and tub combo. We finish things off upstairs with an additional bonus room, half bath, and walk-in attic storage. Our last stop is a showstopper, the magnificent backyard of this resort-style paradise. We step outside and are met with two inviting outdoor patios. The first houses a pool bath and well-equipped outdoor kitchen, while its companion fire patio features elegantly modern concrete spheres flanking an impressive double-sided fireplace. Sunlit turf offers your own private putting green. Before we come to something truly special, it's almost otherworldly. A shimmering gunite oasis featuring spectacular waterfalls, roaring fire pits, and an ultra-relaxing elevated spa perfect for entertaining all year round. We've toured nearly 9,000 square feet of stunningly modern new construction. Brought to you by Trace Construction, Lisa Culp Taylor, and her phenomenal team. I hope you've enjoyed every moment. You don't want to miss out on our monthly tour of the best Nashville estates, so hit that subscribe button for access to all things luxury. We'll see you next time on this exciting adventure. Cheers till then.